Hey everyone, this video is about how to graph the inverse of a function. So we have this function that was graphed right here, and I'm going to graph the inverse of it on this coordinate plane over here on the right. So this is how you do it. We need to look at the ordered pairs that this graph passes through. So one of them is 0, 0. And what we're going to do is we're going to switch the x and y coordinate when we graph the inverse. So if we have the ordered pair 0, 0, and we switch the x and y coordinate, that still gives us 0, 0. So that's a point on the inverse. Now, this one right here is 1, 1. This point right there, 1, 1. And if we switch the x and y coordinate with that, it's still going to be 1, 1. So that's going to be 1, 1, which is there. So we're still graphing the inverse here on the right. Now, how about this point right here? This point right there. The x coordinate is -1, and the y coordinate is 1. So if we switch the x and y coordinate when we do the inverse, that means this y coordinate, which is 1, is going to become the x coordinate. And this -1 is going to become the y coordinate. So that's 1, -1. And so that's here, 1, -1. So that's there. Okay. Now how about this point? 2, 4, right? X coordinate is 2, the y coordinate is 4. So that's 2, 4. So if we switch the x and y coordinate, the 4, which is the y coordinate here, becomes the x coordinate. For the inverse, so that's 4, and then this x coordinate here becomes the y coordinate, so 4, 2. So that's going to be here. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. So that's there. And lastly, there's this point right there, which is at -2, 4. -2, 4. And if we switch the x and y coordinate, this y coordinate becomes the x coordinate. So that's 4. That's 4. And then this becomes the y coordinate, -2. So that's here, 1, 2, 3, 4, -2. So that's there. So this would be the graph of the inverse.